Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Altima gas cap. First, understand that a loose or damaged gas cap often causes your check engine light to illuminate, and replacing it can help maintain optimal fuel economy. Before you begin, always make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool. This simple precaution ensures your safety and prevents any potential issues during the replacement process. You won't need any special tools for this easy fix, just your new gas cap. Now, let's remove the old gas cap. Begin by locating and opening the fuel door on your Nissan Altima. Once the door is open, grasp the old gas cap firmly. Turn it counterclockwise until it loosens completely and you can remove it from the fuel filler neck. Many gas caps are attached by a small plastic tether. Gently detach the old cap from this tether if your vehicle has one. This step prepares your vehicle for the new cap installation. With the old cap removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the threads of the new gas cap with the fuel filler neck opening. Once aligned, begin turning the cap clockwise. Continue to tighten it until you hear at least 3 distinct clicks. These clicks indicate that the cap is properly sealed and secured, which is crucial for preventing fuel vapor leaks and ensuring your check engine light stays off. This simple action completes the physical replacement. After installing the new gas cap, perform a quick visual check to ensure it's sitting flush and feels secure. If your check engine light was on due to the old cap, it should reset itself after a few driving cycles. If it doesn't, you might need to drive a bit more or have it manually reset. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.